welcome to Driftwood Holodrums. I'm Crow. I am doing a very short video this morning to demonstrate the sound of this drum. Okay, so this drum's available. It's been put up onto our Etsy shop and our Facebook shop. There will be a link somewhere around the video that gives you the address to go to have a look at the full details of this drum. I won't go into too much details today because I just wanted to give you an idea of the sound. Okay, so here we go. So that's the sound of this drum in a fairly tight state. It's just come out of the house where it's out in the gazebo at the moment, so it's a lot cooler out here, as I say. So this is quite tight. It's been in, we've had the central heating on, so the tone may drop slightly as she cools down or absorbs slightly a bit of moisture from the damper air out here. But yeah, so there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Crow, this is Driftwood Holodrums. Cheerio for now.